Today's lesson in math is on solving division word problems involving big number long division. And they have to use some traditional methods of long division. They also have to do certain things with their remainders, depending on the type of problem and what they're asking for. So we're going to do number 5 from their homework. A park is 4 times as long as it is wide. If the distance around the park is 12.5 kilometers, what is the area of the park? Well, this seems like, since it's an area problem, I'm going to draw a rectangle. I'm going to draw a picture to help myself. And I know that the distance around is 12.5. That's the perimeter. So I know that the perimeter equals 12.5. Now I know that the length is 4 times as long as the width. So here are your 2 widths. Here are your 2 lengths. And now we must figure out, using guess and check or trial and error, if we can come up with numbers that belong, that we can plug in to make this correct. We also can use algebra to solve this problem, which we've gone over a little bit in class. I've set up the problem. The width equals an x or a missing number. The length equals 4x, 4 times that missing number. So if I added all these up, if I did x plus 4x plus 4x, I would get 10x. Okay? 10x is equal to 12.5. If I divide by 10, to get x by itself, well, dividing this number right here by 10 just means moving the decimal point 1 place to the left. I get 1.25. And that's what this is equal to right here. This number right here is 1.25. That means this number right here is 1.25. Now, how do I figure out the length? Well, I just take my 1.25 and do it times 4. So then I do 1.25 times 4. And when I do that multiplication, I get 5. Guess what? If this is 5 and this is 5, what do you think this number plus this number plus this number plus this number equals? 12.5 kilograms. And that's how you would solve that problem using algebra. You could also solve that problem using trial and error, plugging in different numbers until you can get them to equal 12.5 when you're adding up the sides all the way around. If I want to figure then the area of this problem, I'm going to take my dimensions, 1.25, and my width, my length and my width, and I'm going to multiply them together. And after I do that multiplication, I'm going to get 6.25, and that is the area of the park. And that's how you use algebra and or trial or error to figure that type of problem out.